Making and receiving payments should be as easy as 1, 2, 3. But managing multiple payments, splitting fees and reconciling, well, that's when things get complicated. Enter Assembly Payments. We simplify complex payment workflows, making it easy for you to set up and manage everything end-to-end in real time. We work with PropTech, FinTech, crypto exchanges, remitters, and other types of digital platforms. Using API automation, we free up time and money for you to invest elsewhere in your business. We configure our approach right down to flexible APIs designed to meet your unique needs. As the first Australian non-bank payment platform to enable real-time payments, we apply our in-depth expertise to solving all your problems, providing one single integration for multiple payment methods. As NPP pioneers, we've managed over $3.5 billion real-time transactions and helped businesses double customer conversions, achieve 16 times growth, and gain a competitive advantage. Assembly Payments. Complex payments made easy. Speak to us about your payment needs today at assemblypayments.com.